Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free fast system cleaner app for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Fluent Cleaner, and the first list you will see is developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Just scroll down below and click on this assets, and now just click on this fluentcleaner.zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder what is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here the application app cleaner. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of is a difference, right? On the left panel you can see the various options here. So you can see the cleaner, terminal and tools. So under the tools you can add different extensions. So you can click on this get extension on give up on the developer website and you can install the extensions if you want the extensions. And at the bottom you'll see your settings. So under the settings you can get the appearance option and you can select the various database, and below you can see more options, so you can check out by yourself. So now here you can see the various options here. What are the options that have been automatically selected, so you can untick or tick if you want all the options also. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. Now just click on this analyze. So finally the scanning has been completed. Now click on this run cleaner. So you can see task has been completed, and below you can see the finish. This much of GB is being freed. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free fast system cleaner app for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.